Was it a difficult decision to sort of bench Aidan and put Alessio in as the starter? I mean, he came with you guys from Oregon State. You have a long history with him. How hard was that decision?
Yeah, I mean, it was extremely tough. There's a lot of history with Aidan. He's a great kid. I spent countless hours with that guy over the last 3 years and recruited him and got to know him. And it was extremely difficult, I know, for us as a staff. But ultimately, it was like, hey, we kind of ended up saying we feel like we need a spark offensively to. Wanted to take a look at it, and Alessio had done well with his opportunities and had a great week of practice, and we wanted to give him that shot that week.
In a theoretical world, what would he have to do to bring that starting role back in practice or whatnot, or is it more so what Alessio does?
No, I think it continues. I mean, it has a little bit to do with obviously Alessio, playing that way, but we're going to continue to give Aidan opportunities in practice and make that competitive thing, because we do feel like we can move the football and have success with both those guys. And per week, Aidan does bring some stuff skill set wise a little bit different than Alessio. So I'm not ruling out the possibility of seeing both in the game as well.